Hi, Tom Varsity, Military Embedded Systems. I'm at Sea Air Space 2019 in National Harbor, and I'm with Andy Marabi from IXI Technology. How are you?
Good to see you again.
Good to see you again. So we've done a couple videos on the drone killer from IXI, but there's a little bit different twist now, and Andy's going to describe it to us.
Sure. So this is the scaled down version of drone killer right here. As you can see, this drone killer here weighs about 8.5 pounds. We're going to scale it down from 8.5 to 2 to 3 pounds for the infantry. So soldiers and Marines can carry it under rail like the M203, like your grenade launcher, on this intelligent rail. The beauty of the drone killer, so mounted on the under rail, is going to give the soldier or the Marine a kinetic response as well, the drone killer response. Right? Because when the bullets start to fly, they don't want to hold this, drop this, and then raise their AR to engage the battle. So now they can do it all at once.
So all the technology that's in the drone killer is now right in here.
Exactly. Except for the battery here, which is the main weight. Battery is now right here. And not only does a battery-powered drone killer, it can power everything on the intelligent rail. So the intelligent rail provides both data and power to all the attachments that are installed as an accoutrement for the Picatinny rail.
Right, so what else can IXI think of? It's coming up next, right?
Coming up next, music on. You'll see a prototype at AUSA.
All right, Great. Thank you, Andy. How can people get more information about Drone Killer and IXI Technology?
They can reach us at ixiew.com or ixitechnology.com.
All right, thanks, Andy.
All right, thank you.